The intrepid fishermen prepare their weapons of fish domination in the hopes that they will catch their next quarry.
At least one of us will.
Yeah, me.
My guess, neither will catch anything. Get some good casting.
The tough thing about here is it's not really a casting river.
Well, I'm just kidding. Oh, that's cool. Well, as the chums are fishing, I went and found myself a nice little spot to read a book. Beautiful view ahead of me, babbling stream behind me. Pretty darn nice. Drying my feet out a little bit. And yeah, just gonna take it easy. I'm not sure what we're doing today. We might pack it on out. We might stay another night. Just depends on how the day goes. It's gonna be a pretty leisurely day. Wind's kind of kicking up a little bit, so I apologize if you can hear that in the video. But all in all, this has been an absolutely great trip. It didn't go as planned again. There seems to be a bit of a curse in our early season trips, but that's a gamble you take around here when you do something early season. And even though the end of June shouldn't be early season, around here it is. So, all right, sorry for the interruption there. Just unexpectedly had a visitor walk through. This is the first person we've seen this entire trip. So, yeah, it's been pretty nice and secluded. This is a great spot. Definitely a spot that I would come back to. Like I said, things didn't go as planned, but it was a lot of fun. The three of us just had an absolute blast. A lot of really dumb jokes, as is something that happens when three guys tend to get together in the woods. And just really relaxing and really a good time. And on this trip, I started reading this book, Practice of the Wild by Gary Snyder. It was recommended to me by a good friend of mine, Tiff, and it is so far been really eye-opening. You know, it's definitely a deep look into all things dealing with nature and ecology and things like that. She actually says it's kind of like her Bible, so highly recommend. And again, I think this is like the perfect place to read it. God damn it.
old sandales. Ow! Easy, bro.
I'm walking. I'm walking. Hey, Hotpants.
Hey, what's up?
Was it good for you too?
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
How'd it feel, Bill?
He gave 2 thumbs. Well, something cool just happened. On the first day walking out here, at some point down the trail, I noticed that I had lost one of the baskets on my trekking poles. And so we thought, well, we'll take a look on the way out, see if we can find it. We'd all kind of given up hope, and just a few moments ago, as we were walking past, I looked down, boom, there it was. You can tell one's a little bit cleaner than the other. That's pretty cool.